going to be losing one of our Lone Star Hawaiian vehicles. Good morning, Dallas. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Okay, now you can hear me. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another gorgeous day on the island of Oahu. But aside of a glorious day, it is kind of a sad day because we're going to be losing one of our Lone Star Hawaiian vehicles here in the coming days. It is, really mixed emotions right now, but to explain more, let's go ahead and head up the west side. We do live on an island. Let's go ahead and enjoy today. Let's have a scenic ride up the west side of Oahu, and let's go ahead and get going. Not bad for a cold start. But then again, it's never cold here, so is it really a cold start? Welcome to the west side of Oahu. We're on the northwest portion of the island at Kaena State Park. The beach park we are at is Keawa'ula Beach Park, also known as Yokohama. Now the name Yokohama was given because of Japanese fishermen that frequently fished at this beach park. Now remember, this is the islands of Hawaii, not the islands of Japan, so the correct name is Keawa'ula Beach Park. We are currently sitting on this beautiful 1992-93 Ford Contour. If you're interested in any parts off of this car, I am parting it out at a reasonable price. But anyways, aside from this broken down Ford that has been thrown on the side of a mountain and overturned, how this got up here, I really don't know. But anyways, what we are talking about is, in fact, we are losing a member of the Lone Star Hawaiian family. By the time this video airs, this DRZ 400 Supermoto will be up for sale. Now, a little bit of a backstory about myself, and I haven't really covered it on the channel yet thus far. I'm in fact Hawaiian, blood Hawaiian. Believe it or not, yes, I do have blue eyes. No, I don't have super dark skin, but I'm in fact Hawaiian. I have ancestry dating back generations from the islands of Hawaii, which we are here now. The reason I say that is I've had several comments on my videos, to date, calling me haole, calling me white man, foreigner, whatever you might call it, but believe it or not, Hawaiian. And the reason we're going all the way back is where motorcycles come from for me. I was 15 years old. I loved cars. I loved everything about motors, but legally you're not able to drive in Texas by yourself until you're 16. But guess what? At the age of 15 in Texas, you can get your motorcycle license. So guess what I did? Saved up my money, bought a motorcycle, and I was mobile. And that was kind of the stem and the start of my complete addiction and passion in the automotive world. So I've had quite a few motorcycles throughout my life so far. When I came out here for college my sophomore year, I had a CBR 600, a little too much power for the islands, and it kind of limited me to what I could carry around. Surfboards, couldn't really enjoy the beaches like I wanted to, so ended up selling the CBR, bought a Chevy S10, and it worked out perfect. Now from there, I really missed a motorcycle, and actually then I started dating this really pretty girl I now call my wife, and she told me very adamantly and straight that you will not own a motorcycle, sorry, That's it. Guess what I did? I came home with a Yamaha R6 and, well, she's now my wife and we're happily married with a 9-month-old, so I guess it worked out okay. So from the Yamaha R6, I again realized, hey, a little too much power for the islands, can't really enjoy it. So I sold the Yamaha and ended up getting on the DRZ 400 Supermoto. Now, it's not this bike, it was actually a 2000 model DRZ 400, and I absolutely fell in love with it. It is the perfect bike for the islands. You can go on the highways, you can go on trails, you can go on places like this. You can find Ford Contours flipped over on the mountainside. But it was a perfect bike for the islands. At that point, we graduated college. We sold everything we had. We didn't know where we were going. We didn't know what we were doing. Sold our car, sold our motorcycle, sold all of our belongings basically so we can move back. And fortunately enough, I was able to gain a position with a Fortune 50 company on Oahu. So here we are today. I went out and bought this DRZ 400 Supermoto when I started working because I had to commute to and from Waikiki. Now, anybody that's been on Oahu for any amount of time knows traffic here is awful. In the mornings, they open up what is called a zipper lane. If you have a motorcycle, you can take the zipper lane. So there was my excuse to get another DRZ 400. Now, here's the sad part. We are now selling the DRZ. I have a 9-month-old boy, love him to death, but I cannot really enjoy that with him right now. He's 9 months old, too young to really ride on the motorcycle with me, and it just sits in the garage now. It's basically a few $1,000s just sitting there night and day, and I can't enjoy it anymore like I used to. So I figure I sell this, get some money, and I'm able to reinvest that into the channel. And that's the thing. When I do sell this, every penny I sell it for is actually going to be reinvested into what you guys are viewing. So pros and cons, I'm sure there's a bunch, but what I want your opinion on is, hey, what should I spend the money on? Should I throw it in the bank and save up for a future vehicle for the channel? Should I throw this money into my truck? Should I throw this money into that Ford Contour over there? That one for sure. So that's my question for you today, is leave it in the comments below, is what should I reinvest this money in? And also, if you're interested in a DRZ 400 Supermoto, 7,000 miles, great condition, absolutely babied its entire life, it's for sale on Oahu, and by the time this video airs, it'll be on Craigslist. I'll put the link in the description below just in case you're interested, but that's gonna be it for the DRZ 400. I'm gonna miss it.
My name is Rod, and I like to party.
Now with that sad news unveiled, it is time to head back down south, down the west side of Oahu. Now on the way back, we're gonna play a little bit of a game. We're gonna count the number of stolen and abandoned vehicles on the side of the road, the main highway, on the way back. Go ahead and put your guesses below in the comments how many there will be. The reason we're playing this game, if you rank the United States in highest auto theft rate to lowest, Hawaii ranks number 5. Number 5, we're on an island, and we're ranked number 5 behind Washington, Nevada, California, New Mexico. We're number 5. Sadly enough, that's the truth. We're gonna head back down south. Put your guesses in the comments below. Let's see how many we find. Starting with number 1, the Ford Contour. There we have typical tropical weather. Absolutely gorgeous day to start out. Went up to the west side, got even better, and then it decided to pour on me. So I got soaking wet on the way back. Just north of Waianae, it started to rain on me until I got back home. So I am a bit wet. I had a jacket on and that one is soaked. And I had to put away the camera. So the abandoned car count did stop at Waianae. So whomever the winner is, congratulations. I'm not sure exactly how many cars we counted. We'll have to count that in the rendering. But that's the latest news for the channel and the latest on the motorcycle. A little bit non-traditional vlog for the channel, but I figured we changed it up a bit. The Supermoto is for sale, and every penny we get from it, we are reinvesting into your entertainment. So if you enjoy that, go ahead and give that one a big thumbs up. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Aloha, and we'll see you next time.